such a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that boy? He knows I'm watching. He likes the way I stare. And they say, why? Just tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Halle Bailey gets to show off her lovely vocal. Our little mermaid had to sing Human Nature by Michael Jackson. If I'm to say, she has the very beautiful voice and her cover is so addictive, listening to it over and over again, and it's so amazing. Just leave your comments below.